This is the story of a boy who was silent in English but loud in his dreams. He was not afraid of people. He was not afraid of hard work. He was afraid of one word: hello. There was a boy named Ravi. Ravi was a simple boy from a small town. He had big dreams. He wanted to work in a big company. He wanted to speak English confidently. But there was one problem. He was scared of English. Whenever someone spoke English, he felt nervous. His heart started beating fast. He thought, English is very difficult. People will laugh at me. So he stayed quiet. One day, his teacher asked, who will introduce themselves in English? The classroom was silent. Ravi wanted to stand up, but fear stopped him. That day, he felt disappointed in himself. That night, he stood in front of the mirror. He looked at himself and said, why am I afraid? He took a deep breath and whispered, hello. The next morning, he tried again. Hello, my name is Ravi. His voice was shaking, his grammar was not perfect, but this time he did not stop. Maybe you are like Ravi. Maybe you are also afraid. But remember this, no one becomes fluent in one day. Confidence starts with one small sentence. This is only day one of Ravi's journey, and maybe it is day one of yours too. This entire series is carefully built to take you step by step from fear to fluency. If you watch this journey completely, you will not just see Ravi grow, you will grow with him. You will learn how English is spoken confidently, naturally, and fluently. This is not a normal English series, it is a transformation journey. I have built this series with deep effort so you can understand English easily, speak without fear, and build real confidence. So stay in this journey, and if you are ready to grow with Ravi, subscribe to the channel and become part of Speak Zenix, because this journey can change the way you speak forever.